What is up, guys? Saturday morning, back at my favorite spot, Mount Lachey. We're gonna see what's out here today. Let's go. Sun's just coming up. I'm gonna throw some top water in the morning, switch up to my favorite gold spoon, see if we can find them ready reds. Fish on. Yeehaw. Snooky, snooky, snooky. Woo, feisty one. Come here, Snooky. Little snooky first thing in the morning. Get on out of here, dude. There we go. Nice fish. Come here, Reddy Red Red. Beautiful. Look at them spots on him. That's not the good side. Look at the spots on him. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Nice one. Come on out into this bay, brother. Oh, yeah. Come right on out here. Let's fight. Yeah. He's got some weight to him. Nice red, nice red. Where you going? Oh yeah. Nice red. Nice red. Come here, dude. He did not like that. Oh, that's so much fun when they just start taking drag. Oh, I don't know who's working who. He's working me or I'm working him. That's a stud. That's a beauty. Come here, dude. Let me say hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that stud. Woo, purdy, purdy, purdy. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Oh my God. There he goes. Come on, get away from the mangroves. He hit that sucker right at the boat. That was awesome. I ain't even seen him yet. Come on. Come on. There he is, there he is. Oh, I got him now. Nice red. Another nice red. He's green still. He ain't giving up. Get away from that trolling motor. Woo. Pretty, pretty. Come on. Come here, sweetheart. There we go. Hoo hoo hoo. Gold spoon. To get a better shot of him. Look at that pretty, pretty redfish. Yeah. Beautiful. Let's get a good release on him. There's another one. Yeah, buddy. We're on. Ooh, there he goes. Made him mad. Nice. Come on. Yeah, buddy, we're on again. Yes, I love it. Oh, that's so much fun. Just peel and drag. There he is. Oh, all caught up here. Come on. this here. There we go. That came undone. Perfect. My stupid fault for getting rods in the way. Come on up and say hi. Ooh, that's a hoss. Hell yeah, brother. Come here and say ah. Yeah. Old spoon. Gold spoon does it again. Pretty little red. Redfish, redfish, redfish. Love it. Banging them all day long. 1/4 ounce Johnson silver minnow gold spoon. That's what the majority of them were caught on today. That's tied with a loop knot on a 15-pound fluoro on 10-pound braid. One of them though, I was working slower, just a little jerk bait, and ended up getting him on the Z-Man extended jerk bait. That was the biggest red I got, was on him. But again, 15-pound fluoro loop knot. That's on an owner twist lock hook with 1/4 ounce weight. I was just bouncing them off the bottom. So it's time to head in. Let's go.